Hello, are you tired of all the tourist trap that you are facing in Tokyo? Don't worry, today's video we will be exploring some of the best food ever that tourists must visit in Tokyo. Not only do they offer exclusive experience, but the food there is really good and you'll feel that it's really value for money. Of course, it must be photogenic place. So let's proceed on with the first place. We're at this famous Tsukichi outer market, and hidden in one of the corners of this food paradise is a shop serving one of the craziest uni bowl that I've ever seen. It had lots of different species of uni at this place. You can have 5 different sets. And look at all this gorgeous uni that's being served. I'm really excited about this because there's always a wonder. All these different species of uni, how do they taste like? Is there any difference between each of them? So let's dig in and find out. Look at all these different color of uni. Just from the coloring, you realize that it is a different species. Let's taste them all separately. I would say some are a bit sweeter, some are saltier. Not only is the color difference, but every uni tastes kind of different too. And all this uni actually came from different part of Japan. So it's like a great testing session where all these different uni from different part of Japan is all in my bowl. Absolutely fun. But now let's move to the main theme. What if we mix all these different uni together into one big bowl? What will the taste be like? It's like an ultimate flavor move, right? So let's do it. Let's mix it up and let's try this ultimate taste of 5 uni bowl. Following up, let's crack this raw egg yolk, mixing up together and make the bowl even creamier and smoother. This way of eating is like a very common ritual when you are eating Japanese rice bowl. It is like a must to mix in a raw egg yolk inside everything. Now that this rice is so creamy and yummy, let's use it as a base, wrap it inside a crispy seaweed, and go for it. This is definitely one of my favorite way to eat it. With this whole wrap, it adds an extra layer of flavor and texture to it. We had also ordered a fresh king crab soup. The umami flavor is really strong, it's really dense. Of course, it's also pretty salty. I don't think they really put any seasoning inside. Don't forget the crab meat too. I'm gonna scoop it out and mix it in with the uni boat. Crab meat with unis and egg yolk. This is a marvelous combination. Finally, let's crack open one of the leg here and go for the pure meat. Maybe next time I will do a separate video just to eat a full session of Alaska king crab. The lunch is really amazing. It's one of the most best place ever to have uni bowls. But let's go for dinner. And I'm at this really unique shop that is definitely a place that I recommend you to get a visit. This is a restaurant where you get to catch your own dinner. So look at all these fishes that are inside all these tanks. Every fisher is alive, swimming around in the tank and waiting to be caught. I'm sitting right beside a massive tank right now. It's one of the perfect spots to watch all the fish swimming around and decide which one shall be my dinner. Now it's time to prepare my fishing rod. A waitress is kind enough to help me putting on the bait. Follow up, it's time for me to start the catch. The fishes are definitely hungry. Look at them. They are pretty aggressive to bite my bait. And I caught one. Look at how my rod has been bending. This is an energetic fish and it's pretty big in size too. Look at how energetic it is. It's definitely going to be fresh and delicious. And there's also a very fun session here. They actually let you take the fish that you caught and take a photo together. All these are also some of the cooking methods you can choose for the fish that you got. Whether you want it to be live as sashimi or you want different barbecue style, it's all available here. And after you caught a fish, they will actually hit the drum as a ritual to congratulate you. everything is definitely transparent here. You can watch the chef preparing the fish that you caught right in front of you. My fish sashimi is finally being served together with 3 different types of soy sauce. And let's compare all the different flavors. There's a soy sauce that is lighter in color, and there's also one that's mixed with vinegar, and the third one is a much more fermented soy sauce, so the taste is much deeper. A tip is whenever you're eating raw fish or raw food, you must add some wasabi because it helps to kill off all the germs that are inside the raw meat. My fish is actually being prepared in 2 rounds. So the second round is actually a Korean style spicy sashimi with a raw egg yolk on it. Let's mix everything out and let's dig in. And with a spicy taste to it, personally, I like this flavor more. And as for the hate, it's being prepared into this soup. It's tasty, it's delicious, and let's go for our next fish. I had set my eye on all these eel this time. I'm gonna cook one myself, as grilled eel is really delicious and it's to my liking. So I caught one, and it's so easy to bite. Wow, look at how energetic is this eel. The waitress is actually pulling out for me to take a photo with the eel that I've caught. So this is a very fun environment where everybody is catching their own fish, taking videos, taking photos. It's really fun. For this one, I have it lightly grilled. Of course, paired with 3 different soy sauce. All the taste is really amazing. I would say this is really a fun dinner, but what's the ending to a dinner if there's no alcohol, right? As an adult, we always love to drink. Let's move on to the last place. Here we are at the last place. It's a sky bar with one of the best ever Tokyo Tower views. So why is it here? It's because you can actually see this. This is the Tokyo Tower. You have this entire view in front of you, right in your face. And they even have the whole tower being designed into a drink. As promised, definitely photogenic, right? Remember to shake your alcohol well. I can't really say that this is the best drink ever, but the environment, the atmosphere is definitely powerful and perfect. Here's a toast to all my viewers. Looking back, what a great day we had. From 5 types of different uni to eat, to catching our own dinner, finally at this Tokyo Tower drinking spot. Which place would you like to try first? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Be sure to subscribe for more food and travel vibes.